In this workshop tutorial, we are going to show you how to customize the navigation bar in your ePortfolio. The first thing you need to do is unlock the navigation section of your portfolio by clicking on the lock icon in the upper right hand corner. The navigation section is locked by default to prevent you from accidentally adding content that should otherwise be added to other sections of your portfolio. Once the navigation section is unlocked, hover your mouse pointer over the navigation bar and you will see three icons that appear. One to edit the navigation, one to access the settings, and one to move the navigation. For this tutorial, we will be focusing on the edit icon. Since the settings and move icons deal with adding content and customizing the design of your ePortfolio, they will be covered in another tutorial for adding content. But for now, let's focus on the edit icon. Click the edit icon and you will be redirected to the page settings window. Here you will see a full list of all the pages and their associated subpages. To add a new page, click just after the title of the page or subpage where you want the new one to be added, and then press enter on your keyboard, and the new page will be added right after the page you selected. You can also select the Add New Page button in the lower left hand corner, although this will add the page to the end of the list of pages. You will be prompted to give the new page a title. Once you have given the new page a title, you can click Save. This new page will now be added to your navigation. However, there are a few other options you may find useful to go over before clicking Save. To the right of the page title, there is a settings icon. Click it. Here you can make the page private or just a heading. Making a page private means that it will be hidden from the published view of your portfolio, but is still accessible in the edit mode. So for those with just viewing access, they will not be able to see it. Choosing the heading option adds the page as just that, a heading. The title will appear, but the page will be unclickable. This is useful for when you want to categorize the content in your ePortfolio and not have to worry about having a blank landing page. If you decide you want to change the order of the pages in the list, you can do so by clicking and holding down the mouse button over the icon to the left of the page title and moving it up or down to change the order, or you can move it to the right to make it a subpage of the page above it. But be aware, if the page has any subpages attached to it, they will also be moved. Finally, if you decide you want to delete any pages, you can click the delete icon to the right of the page title, but be aware, if that page has any subpages attached to it, they will also be deleted. Once you have finished setting up, moving, or deleting pages, you can click Save. If you have decided to delete pages, in the next window you will see a list of pages being deleted. Make sure to review them. You will also be prompted to type the word delete to confirm your decision. This concludes our customizing the navigation bar tutorial.